There was no way I could have known that. I wasn't just looking at the girl who would turn into my girlfriend, but I was looking at the girl who would become my best mate, the mother of our daughter, Isabel. And as from today, I can finally call her my wife. Well, she's been involved in every high of my life since I've known her. And as I've got a bit older, I've realised it's not just coincidence. She's just top bird,
How'd you feel about
Hey?
Has it made you emotional?
No, it's but I would have never thought you would tolerate me for all these years.
I'll give you this ring
as a sign of our marriage.
as a sign of our marriage.
With my body I honour you.
With my body I honour you.
All that I am I give to you.
All that I am I give to you.
And all that I have I share with you.
And all that I have I share with you.
Within the love of God,
Within the love of God,
Father, Son and Holy Spirit.
Father, Son and Holy Spirit.
In the presence of God and before this congregation, Beci and Jon have given their consent and made their marriage vows to each other. I therefore proclaim that they are husband and wife. I think it's a round of applause.
So all I want to say, Beci, is my life's officially yours and I can't wait to spend the rest of it with you. Oh, to Beci.